Hi, I'm Bethany. Thank you for watching. This is class number 9 for fashion illustration DIY. Make sure you watch these videos in order. They build on each other. For fashion illustration class 9, I started my class by showing a YouTube video on a fashion design student. I will include the link below, but basically it was a guy who's in school right now and just showing the kids a little glimpse of what life would be like if they went into fashion design school and kind of more of what that process would be. I wish so bad that I could give the kids the experience of real fabric design and draping, pattern making, and actually creating clothes and having them on the runway. But I can't. So have them watch this video or something similar to it. You will need to have brought in a bunch of examples off Pinterest and the internet of fashion faces and fashion hair. Today they're going to be adding those to their final drawings. So print out examples, have the students pass them around until they've looked at them all. Also bring in, this will be the last week that you'll need to bring in fashion design books, and hopefully some of them have illustrations in them, and have them look at the books as well. That way they can be inspired by what other designers do. And so using tracing paper and colored pencils and also their phones, have them look up different illustration styles, have them work on creating a face that they like. They can leave their faces blank if that's too intimidating. Some artists do that. They can create one face and one hairstyle and apply that to all of their models, or they can create a new face and a new hairstyle for every single one of their models. So just have them keep working on their faces and their hair using tracing paper, and once they've gotten what they're happy with, they need to apply it to their drawings. Have them think about the style of clothes that they are making or designing. Are they exotic? Are they unique? Are they traditional? Their faces and their hair need to match their clothes in style. During class, maybe just have conversations, look at the books, and notice what different artists did based on the style of their clothes. So by next week, their entire 6 figures should be completely finished, and they should be ready to transfer them onto multimedia paper and paint them.